You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.